Today, many people search through the web stores of products or services, so it is important that the different shops have registered their business on the internet. For this, the application of My Business allows your store or restaurant is reflected through search engines such as Google and especially Google Maps. To register your business, download it from Play Store or App Store. Once downloaded, it will request your email. Then start with the registration. Enter your business name, business category, then ask if you want to establish a geographical point of your business so that anyone looking for it online can find it. Then enter the address of your business along with the city, department, and zip code. Then the application will need to discover that your business has been registered before, so it will show some business options of its kind that are close to your address. If it is none of those, select None of the options matches the company. It will ask you if your business makes addresses or provides service in any other specific area. Establish the place where you would provide that service. Then, contact information such as cell phone, number, and website. If you already have it, one of the important qualities of the application is that it also offers recommendations and small courses or tutorials for your company to succeed from the virtual. Some important recommendations are that you upload photographs and publications. This way, those who are looking for you will have more opportunity to identify you easily. Keeping track of the statistics will allow you to better understand the interests of your clients. Something very important is to respond to the options of your clients. This will give your business image and reputation. To verify that the business really exists and the registered location is correct, Google will send you a card by mail with a verification code. This can take up to 14 days. Register your name and ready. When you have the code registered, it's so that Google authorizes the presence of your business in Google Maps. While waiting for the verification code in the homepage, you'll be able to move forward with registering your business, such as setting up a profile photo, cover photo, promotions, hours of operation, and a description of your business activity. In the customer section, you can see the followers, rankings, and comments that customers have made.